Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your OS and which shell you'll use. This matters because commands differ. Next, make sure you have administrative rights or sudo access so you won't be blocked mid-task. Once done, open the terminal immediately. Use Start, Spotlight, or Control plus Alt plus T. You'll see a prompt. That's your command input. Type simple commands like pwd and ls or dir to confirm the shell responds. This establishes the session and avoids surprises before complex steps. Now you'll learn the main controls. Navigate directories with cd, list contents with ls or dir, and confirm your location with pwd. Once comfortable, edit files with Nano, Roman 6, Visual Studio Code, or Notepad. Redirect output using and append with. For running programs, check processes with ps, top, or task list, and stop them using kill or taskkill. Make sure to run privileged commands with sudo or elevated prompt when required, because permissions prevent harmful changes otherwise. Finish by testing network and automation. Use ping and traceroute to verify connectivity, and ipconfig or ifconfig to inspect interfaces. Test ports using telnet or nc. Then create simple scripts to automate repetitive tasks, make them executable with chmod plus x and run them with /script sh so you can repeat work quickly. If something fails, check system logs /var/log on Unix or event viewer on Windows for errors. That single step usually reveals permission or path issues and points you to the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.